Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to color code your data in Google Sheets using conditional formatting. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automatically highlight different ranges of numbers like scores or sales figures with specific colors. This makes it way easier to scan your spreadsheet and understand your data at a glance, whether you're showing results to your boss, your teacher, or just keeping yourself organized. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you've got a set of names and scores. For example, John Smith scored 59, Alice Brown scored 92, David Lee 87, Emma Garcia 49, and James Clark 65. Now you want to quickly see which scores fall into which range by color coding them. This is where conditional formatting shines. First, start by selecting the numbers you want to color code. You can just click and drag over the cells that have the scores. In our case, that might be the column right beside the names. It's really important to select only the cells with numbers because you don't want to accidentally color the names or other text. Think of this like highlighting the specific area on a map where you want to focus your attention. With your scores selected, head up to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen where all the magic happens. Now within this panel, look for the section that lets you set your rules. Since we want to highlight scores between 40 and 70, locate the drop-down under Format Cells if and choose Is Between. In the two boxes that pop up, type in 40 in the first box and 70 in the second. What this does is tell Google Sheets to look for any cell in your selection that has a number between 40 and 70. Next, choose a color for these cells. Maybe you want to use a soft orange to indicate scores in this range. Pick the color you like, something that stands out but isn't blinding. You should see a live preview of the color on any cells that match your rule. Once you're happy, click Done to set the rule. But we're not finished yet. We want to highlight other ranges as well, so click Add Another Rule. This time, go through the same process, but use 71 as your minimum and 90 as your maximum. Again, pick a color, maybe a light yellow for this range so it's visually distinct from your first choice. Tip: using a consistent color progression like from orange to yellow to green can help the viewer intuitively read the data. Finally, let's add one more rule for the top scores. Click Add Another Rule again, set it to Is Between 90 and 100, and pick a standout color. Bright green always works well for top achievements. Fill out the values and click Done. Give your spreadsheet a quick scan. If you made a small mistake, don't worry, you can click on any rule to edit or delete it. Sometimes it takes a little tweaking to get exactly the look you want. With just a few clicks, you've brought your data to life. Now, instead of staring at a wall of numbers, you and anyone else using your sheet can immediately spot trends, outliers, or patterns. This is super helpful for teachers grading assignments, managers tracking performance, or just for your own peace of mind when you're keeping tabs on anything that involves numbers. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got any questions or want to share how you use color coding in your own spreadsheets? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials to help you get the most out of your digital tools. See you next time.